Hi Kai, this is your grandpa. I want to show you a picture that your mom and dad sent me. That's a picture of you and your daddy standing next to a trash truck. That's a really nice picture. And when your grandma saw it, she found a trash truck, a toy trash truck for me. This is my trash truck, a little toy trash truck. And inside, there's this little guy, and I call him Kai. He's the driver of the trash truck. And when it's ready to go, I give the signal and he drives away. So long, Kai in the trash truck. There's Kai driving the trash truck. See you later. Did you like that? See you later.